In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for an online event on Eventbrite. If you want to find virtual workshops, webinars, classes, or conferences, Eventbrite makes the process pretty simple once you know where to look. Whether you're using an Android phone, an iPhone, or a computer, the steps are very similar. To begin, open the Eventbrite app if you already have it installed. If not, you can use any web browser and go directly to the Eventbrite website. The experience is slightly different depending on your device, but the main search tools work in a very similar way across mobile and desktop. Once you're on Eventbrite, find the search bar. It may say something like Search Events. Tap or click into that field, then type in keywords related to the kind of online event you want to attend. For example, you might search for a marketing webinar, a coding workshop, or virtual yoga. Try to be specific enough to get relevant results, but not so narrow that you miss good options. After entering your search terms, the next important step is setting the location filter. Since you're looking for an online event, choose online or online events instead of entering a city or physical location. This is what tells Eventbrite to show only virtual events, which helps remove in-person listings from your results. If you want to narrow things down even further, use the available filters. You can usually sort by date if you need something happening soon. Choose a category to match your interest. Filter by price to show free or paid events, select a language, and in some cases choose the event format. These filters are especially useful if your original search brings up too many results. Now start browsing through the events that appear. Tap or click on any listing that looks interesting to open the event page. Here, you can check the date and time, see whether there are any registration requirements, review information about the organizer, and confirm which online platform will be used, such as Zoom or YouTube. Taking a moment to read these details can help you avoid signing up for the wrong event. When you find an event you want to attend, select Get Tickets or Register. Then complete the registration process by following the prompts on the screen. After that, Eventbrite will send a confirmation email with the instructions you need to access the event. As a helpful extra tip, Eventbrite also offers a dedicated page for virtual events, where you can browse upcoming online workshops, webinars, conferences, and classes without needing to start from a general search. That's how to search for an online event on Eventbrite.